Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Apple Watch stuck on black screen, red snake, green snake or charging cable icon. Guys, if you facing this issue, then keep watching this video until the end. First of all, subscribe my channel and like this video. Let's start it. When appear black screen, red snake, green snake on Apple Watch screen, you should charge your Apple Watch about 30 minutes. If red snake, green snake or charging cable icon appear on Apple Watch screen even after charging, then try to next solution. If red snake or black screen appear on Apple Watch after connect charging, it have two reasons. First thing, your accessory not supported your Apple Watch. Second, your Apple Watch battery is expired. You should change your Apple Watch battery. Connect your magnet charging cable on Mac. Then connect your magnet charging cable on Mac. Your accessory is not supported. How to fix? Remove any protected sheet on both side charger. Also remove backside on Apple Watch. Change your magnet charging cable or charger. And use always Apple original cable and charger. You should use always Apple original accessories. If you facing red bullet and time and green bullet and time stuck, video link in description, I button and end screen. If this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.